Hey guys, hi, it's Julie, the Creative Chica. So I'm hoping today will be better with the lighting. I got a new bulb that's a 100-watt daylight bulb in my room, other than the lights that I put here. But I wanted to show you guys this really cute collection. It's called Retro Collection, or Retro Christmas by Recollections, and it's super cute. I was looking for it where I live and I couldn't find it, so I asked my grandson, who works at Michael's, if he could find it at his store, and he did. So I paid for him to buy me one, and he sent it to me. So this is such a cute little collection that I thought, oh, sorry guys, did I mess up anything here? No. Okay, good. I thought I bumped it. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what a cute collection this is. It's super adorable, and we'll get right into it, and then I'll show you what I did. So all these papers come with it. That's 420 pieces, including every single little jemmy that comes with it. So you got jemmies, okay, and then you got cut apart. See if I can get this correct. Okay, so then you have all these cut aparts, which I cut them all apart because you guys aren't going to believe already how much I've used. They're solid papers. And then, let me see. All the cut aparts are super cute. And I've already done that. Oops, I have one extra here. So I've already cut them all apart. They're adorable. What there's the little sayings. And I'll show you more of the cut aparts as we get into the project I've been working on. So got that, and then all the paper. So these are just the scraps from the papers I've already used, and I'm gonna kind of slide them over because those are the tiny pieces. But I will show you the papers. I have no more full pages left. I only have scraps because I've used all the paper except for the scraps. Here's the papers. Super adorable. Look at this one with all the chocolate cups and everything. And then we have this holographic and this pretty poinsettias and all this pretty festive paper. And I have the bigger pieces left. Not sure what I'll do with all the bigger pieces, but I have plenty of them. You can make cards, all kinds of things still. Not cards maybe, but inserts or parts for cards. So I have all that. And then here are what I've used up. I've used up a lot of these, a few of these. These are like chipboard pieces, and they're really, really pretty. I love them. They're adorable. This one wants to come out. And then there's stickers. These are sticker pieces. So these are the sticker pieces. I've used a lot of the sticker pieces, and they're just super, super duper cute. So you can see I've used some of the letters. These are foiled letters, and I've used some of those. Washi, you guys, this is real washi. I thought it was paper, but here's another piece of it. This is like real washi, and they come in strips, and I've used a number of the different colored strips, and I'll show you guys when I show you my project. There's that. Here's the colored papers. There was 12 by 12 in pink and mint, and then here is one unused cut apart, so that's what that looks like. And I have cut them up and I've used them. And then here's the green in the 12 by 12, double-sided. These papers that I'm using are not double-sided. They are single-sided. Sorry about that. There we go. They are single-sided. I just want to put everything back so that I can show you the project I'm working on and why I ordered this from my grandson. So I am going to show you. So what I'm making with these is I'm making these little pouches. These are going to be cocoa pouches. I'm linking below Amber's channel, which is Lyric Lover. She has the tutorial on this, and I will be adding it below. And I will It's super easy. Now this is only 8 1/4 long by 5 inches across. Pretty sure it's just 5 inches across. Let me grab my, whoops, grab the nail file. Sorry, 4 inches across. 4 inches across by, and I think, you know what? I might be wrong on that. I think I did them too short. I don't know. Maybe I did them right. 4 inches. So anyway, 8 1/4, I think by 4. It could have been 5. Maybe I was wrong. No, I think I'm right. Okay. Anyhow, go look at the video down below. I put the description in the description. It's in there. So go in the link and watch it. But anyway, these are going to be cocoa pouches, and then it's super easy. And then you just do the corners, and that's it. So I'll show you the ones that I have decorated. I still have yet to decorate that one. I thought it was done, but I just found that one. So let me show you what I did with these pouches and with the kit, the paper kit. So I used all the pieces, nothing on the back. I left them. See, as the white paper, so it's okay. And these are the ones I made. That one's real cute. There's another one. Sorry. There's another one. Now, this is towards the end. I just found some glittery washi I had in my stash. That didn't come in the kit, but everything else is from the kit. This one too, I had glittery washi that I found, so I put it on there. And I didn't want to cover up all the cute little chocolate cups. And then this one, everything is from the kit. Here's another one. They're super cute and easy peasy to make. Just with a few, I mean, it was not expensive at all. And if I divide this up, I don't even know how much it would be, but I think it was like, I don't know. I want to say, let's say it's $9. And then I think I will see how many of these I got out of it. And these are so cute. And I only used what was in the kit. I didn't have to buy anything else. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I always had to use a bling, so I figured let's put the bling on there. So these are super adorable, and they're all from the kit. I cut that peppermint down a little bit because it was a little too wide. Isn't that cute? They turned out so cute. And then I'll show you an idea of how to use them. But I had to get these done because I have to get things packaged up for my family because I got to send these out. And I got one more thing to do this weekend. And then I'll about finally be done with these. And, oh, and by the way, this Merry Christmas came from, I had them already. It's a pack like this from Hobby Lobby. And I had to put it on paper because it's clear and you couldn't see it. So I put it on the pink paper that comes with the kit. And like I said, I didn't want to really cover up all the pretty little cups. Here's another one. That's cute, isn't it? She's a cute little deer. Adorable. Another one. As you can see, the washi is real see-through. And but you can see it, like up close you can see it. Maybe you can see it in the camera. I don't know. But I didn't want to put too many things because some of it will be covered. And I'll show you right now ideas on how to do this. Look at this. Isn't this cute? I love all the pieces in here. Okay, so how do you use them? How do you put them together? Let me show you. I pulled some things that I bought for my family. And I'm going to do the tea one first because my sister wanted teas instead of chocolate. So you can put, this is just from Walmart, chamomile. And you could actually, I'm going to be able to fit, I believe, yeah, maybe 3 in here. It won't be so bulky. I don't know if 4 is going to be too bulky. I wanted to put 4. Yeah, it's kind of bulky. I think 3 is okay. 3 teas. And then I got this cocoa. This is chocolate flavored. I got it at the Dollar Tree, 2 boxes. Okay, so I'm going to put it like this. And then I always include a biscotti. This is from Costco, and they come already sealed. So then I always put like a double stick tape. I you could tape that back, put a double stick tape so it holds it, and then put it in a bag with a bow. So there's that one like that, and that's with the tea. And then for the cocoa, I have two different kinds of cocos that I found. One is at my grocery store was Land O'Lakes, and this one's a Chocolate Supreme. These are nice. I like the way these fit in here. They fit real flat, real nice. I might have to get more of these, but I'll show you the other ones I got. Again, same thing. This is the dark chocolate one, not milk chocolate. So if somebody is dairy intolerant, they don't have to worry, I think, with these. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure you don't. Anyway, so then that goes like that. They're really good. I love these biscottis. And so there's that. There's another idea. I'm going to keep this in there because you can also get the Swiss Miss. This is just the regular Swiss Miss marshmallow ones. And, oh, I should put that one in first because that one's a little whiter. You could shake down the powder, the chocolate, and it'll be a little flatter. Put in a little candy cane. And then you could do this on this side if you want, but I kind of like it on the same side. Kind of this, I like this kind of peeks out a little bit. And then you have this. But it does impede it getting flat, so you kind of need it to be flat. So I'm not exactly sure how that would work. You could do it this way, and then the whole thing would be flat, because I always double stick this on. I always double stick this on there. So that would be good. Of course, you could always do it in the back. Since you are going to be, you know, wrapping it up, you could stick it in the back so it'll just show. This isn't as pretty, but that's okay. You have a little candy cane here, which is fine. So you can do it that way, or you can put it backwards like this so they can see what it is. I kind of always like everything to be up front, but you certainly can put it in the back and then wrap it up in a pretty cellophane bag. And so that's what I'm going to do. And I just needed to get these done. And I wanted to get you guys a video to show you like all the ways you guys can do it with all the different items. You could put anything that would fit in here. Obviously, you could put like a flat candy or whatever. My family's not that great on candy. Hopefully they'll eat these. I don't know. I know the grandkids will. But there's that. And I just wanted to show you everything I made out of that kit. And then, like I said, I will leave the link below on the tutorial from Amber at Lyric Lover. So there's that. And I will, I got some more stuff to show you guys. I got some happy mail I'd love to share with you. But I'm really busy today. So I will have to do that, film it later. And then I will upload it and show you guys. And I got to just finish that one last pouch, get these packed up. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and go over to Amber's channel, check out how to make them. And I hope it helped you in your Christmas crafting. So I'll see you guys in the next video.